Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. If you don't want to use your laptop keyboard or it is not working and you have another keyboard but you don't know how to disable your installed keyboard first. So what you have to do, uh, go to the search bar and search here device manager. Click on this, then go for keyboards. Click here and you find the driver standard keyboard. So just right click on it and update driver. Once you have clicked it, so search browse my computer for drivers. Click on this and let me pick from a list. Click on this. Then uncheck this show compatible hardware. Then you see here manufacturers. Click on any manufacturer or choose any keyboard here and click on next. Press yes, I want to install this. So close. Now it will ask to restart your computer. I don't want to restart because I have already working keyboard, so this is for tutorial. So you have to press it yes. I am going to say no. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.